Hi, I'm Sheila.
And I'm Christina.
And today we're gonna try lip plumpers.
We're gonna see if these products actually work or if they're just paying us lip service. So the first product we're trying is Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme.
There's so many promises on this.
It says, note, you may experience a slightly intense tingle that can last up to 5 to 10 minutes.
What?
What? This is so shiny.
I know. It has like mermaid colors. It's very iridescent. Before we try these lip plumpers, we're gonna take our makeup off. At least our lip makeup. Ready to try this on. It smells like cherries.
Oh, that's very lightweight, almost like just an oil.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like any of it is going on.
There's none of that iridescence like right away.
Oh my god, I love the way this smells. I could eat
The
it.
tingle just hit.
Really?
Oh yeah. Kind of like pop rock sensation.
Pop rocks. It's been 5 minutes and I feel like my lips have gone through a workout.
It's kind of worth it, but it's painful. Okay, next we're gonna try this Lesnick lip plumping tool. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Have you ever had cupping done?
No.
It's
Have
like,
you?
I've just seen it because you get these giant red bruises on your back because they use suction to get all the blood flowing to that area. Whoa, this is so cute.
Kind of looks like a Pokeball.
It does. Wait, is that where we put our lips? I need directions. This is not okay.
So we took this cover out. Now we just have to put our lips against this and just suck in. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here's to lip plumping.
I hope. That was rough.
Beauty is pain. Yours looks good. I feel like mine did not work. I probably didn't do this right.
It was painful but effective. I'm a little worried about bruising.
Up next, we're gonna try these gel lip plumping patches. Apparently they're a lot less painful than the other two.
Okay, good. That's exciting. Oh, wow.
Oh.
That's fancy.
Yeah.
A slight cooling sensation is normal. Yes! Oh yeah, I didn't even
Shaped
think
like
of
a lip.
Ooh la la. That's what our lips are
Plumpy
gonna
lip.
look like.
Yeah.
I like that this says that it's natural essential oils and naturally derived materials.
That was relaxing.
Nice.
I like the fact that this didn't tingle and it just felt relaxing.
Yeah, it didn't really leave anything on my lips.
It felt very natural and I like that it's for sensitive skin.
And I feel like I'd be ready also to put lip product on.
Yeah. Okay, now that we've tried all these 3 products, let's decide which one is a boss and which one is a loss. So the Too Faced lip injections. What are your thoughts?
I'm gonna go ahead and give it a boss. I think it really worked. It was very tingly, borderline painful, and I felt like the results were the most immediate.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of a warning. I did get some on my hand and it left a little bit of a welt.
Just don't apply it anywhere else but your lips. I agree. Putting this as a boss. It's only 28 bucks, and this versus lip fillers that are 100 bucks, I'll take this. What do you think about this one? I think that this method is a little too complicated and painful.
Barbaric.
I honestly am gonna put this on the loss section.
I felt completely deceived by the packaging.
Yeah.
Because I thought it was gonna be cute and fun, and instead it was a world of pain. I do think it did something, but it wasn't worth the trauma.
Yeah.
Total loss for me. So, okay, the last product, the Skin Iceland lip gels.
Yes.
What do you think?
I was a fan of this one. I felt relaxing, and this did not give me a tingling sensation, so it's a boss.
Ooh.
Boss.
I also give it a boss. I think it's fabulous. I mean, the experience of just relaxing for 10 minutes is great. And then also, it really did something. My lips felt really rejuvenated.
I'm Sheila.
And I'm Christina.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more episodes.